Hello, namaste, good morning. How are you, ma'am?
Over here it's 12:30.
Oh, okay. Hello, hi, namaste, good morning, everyone. Yes. So I'll just wait for a couple of seconds for everyone to join. I think you have a handout with you. If you don't have a handout, that's completely fine. Namaste. I'll be sharing the screen. You can take the printout later. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Geeta, ma'am, you told something?
No.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay. Yes. So we'll start with the session. So in this classes, we'll be learning two Ashtakams. One is a Kala Bhairava Ashtakam and one more is a Vaidyanatha Ashtakam. So first we will be beginning with the Kala Bhairava Ashtakam. So let me give a little bit more, information about the Kala Bhairava. Kala Bhairava is one of the form of a Lord Shiva. So the Kala says the time or a death. So he's a supreme, he is a god, so he will win over the time or the death. Even the death or the time he gets fear and it's so fearful. Kala Bhairava form is very fearful for even the death and the time. So that is the about the Kala Bhairava. And the Kala Bhairava, the vehicle for the Kala Bhairava, the animal he uses is the dog. And the main deity of a Kala Bhairava is in a Kashi. So this is a little bit information about the Kala Bhairava, and the Kala Bhairava Ashtakam is written by Adi Shankaracharya. So there is Ashtakam says 8 stanza. So this Kala Bhairava Ashtakam we have 8 verses and the last one dedicates to the author completely. So totally we'll be having 9 verses in the Kala Bhairava Ashtakam. So we'll start with the Kala Bhairava Ashtakam. I'll show you the screen. So if you don't have a handout also, no worries, you can just go through the screen. Just a second. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. So I request everyone to keep your audio on a mute, but keep your video on. We'll start with the session. Only if you have an emergency, you can switch off your video, but I would request you to keep your video on throughout the session. So we'll start with the class. So here there are 3 hand gestures and the symbols that we have to take care before starting. The one which says the bold letters. The bold letters refers that you have to stress the letters. And the one more is the extension where on the letter we'll be having a line that says we have to extend the letter. For example, so if you observe the example here, it's a Raja because A has to be extended. So that is the one thing. And the one more is the where the fingertip shows up like this. In those cases, your tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth. For the 2 letters, the pronunciation of a N and a L. So these are the 3 gestures, hand gestures that you have to follow throughout the classes. So we'll start with the Kala Bhairava Stotram. Sorry, here it is mentioned as a mantra. I'll change it. So it's a Ashtakam actually. It's not a mantra. So we'll start with the first stanza. So every 4th line in this Kala Bhairava Ashtakam is a repetition. The 4th line is a repetition line. So we'll start with the first one, and also one more thing, there is no meanings included in this the workshop, in this classes. It's only the chanting, the right pronunciation will be included. I'll share the meaning link where you can find the meanings. So after the class you can go through the link and you can learn the meanings of the stotram. So we'll start. Deva Raja Sevya Mana. So I'll take all the 3 together now. Deva Raja Sevya Mana Pava Nangri. So here the N will become slightly silent. Pava Nangri. Pava Nangri. Gha needs to be stressed. Pankajam. Pava Nangri. Pankajam. I'll take the entire line. Deva Raja Sevya Mana Pava Nangri Pankajam. I'll take little faster now. देवराज सेव्यमान पावनांघ्रि पंकजम. Any doubt in the first line? We'll go with the second line. Vyala yajna. So here the jna, the slightly sound come with your nasal. Jna. Vyala yajna sutramindu. So take these two words together. Sutram indu, sutramindu. Sutramindu. All the four words together. Vyala yajna sutramindu Shekharam. Kha needs to be stressed. Shekharam Kripakaram. So here it's a combination of a k and a ra sound. So it sounds like a kr or a kri. Kripakaram. I'll take these words together. Shekharam Kripakaram. I'll take the entire second line. Vyala yajna sutramindu Shekharam Kripakaram. Little faster. Vyala yajna sutramindu Shekharam Kripakaram. We'll go with third line. Naradadi. Na extension. Da extension. Naradadi. Yogi. Vrinda. All the three words together. Naradadi Yogi Vrinda. Vanditam. Vanditam. Digambaram. Digambaram. I'll take the entire line. Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram. Last line. Kashika Puradhinatha. I'll take two words together. So it says he is a leader. He is the Adipati for a Kashi. Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam. So bha needs to be stressed. Ka extension. Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Bha stress, J extension. We'll take the entire fourth line. Fourth line is repetition in every stanza. Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Okay, so there is a slight additions that you have to do. So here in Puradhi, dha is a stressed one. I have missed to bold it. And tha is a stress. Puradhi natha is a stress. So just highlight those things in a bold. So we'll repeat the entire first stanza. Deva Raja Sevya Mana Pavanangri Pankajam Vyala Yajna Sutramindu Shekharam Kripakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Any doubt in the first stanza? Okay, I'll take it a little faster now. Deva Raja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam Vyala Yajna Sutramindu Shekharam Kripakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. You want me to repeat any lines from the first stanza? Okay. So I'll go with the second stanza. Bhanu. Bha is a stress, A is extension. Bhanu Koti Bhaswaram. All the three words together. Bhanu Koti Bhaswaram. Bhavabdi. 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 Tarakam Param. All the three words together. Bhavabdi Tarakam Param. So I'll repeat the first line. Bhanu Koti Bhaswaram Bhavabdi Tarakam Param. Any doubt in the first line? We'll go with the second line. Neelakantha. Neelakantha is one more name of a Shiva which is a blue throat. Neelakantha. When you say tha, stress the letter tha. Neelakantha. Meepsi tartha. Meepsi tartha. So we'll take all the three words together. Neelakantha. Meepsi tartha. Dayakam Trilochanam. Trilochana is a three-eyed. Dayakam Trilochanam. I'll take the entire second line. Neelakantha Meepsi Tata Dayakam Trilochanam. We'll go with the third line. Kala Kala. So I'm just stopping here. Kala Kala Mambu Jaksha Mambu Jaksha. Kala Kala Mambu Jaksha Maksharam. Maksha. This entire line is a one single word. Kala Kala Mambu Jaksha Maksha Shula. Shula is a Trishula. Maksharam. I'll repeat. Kala Kala Mambu Jaksha Maksha Shula Maksharam. We'll put it together now. Kala Kala Mambu Jaksha Maksha Shula Maksharam. I'll repeat. Kala Kala Mambu Jaksha Maksha Shula Maksharam. Any doubt in third line? Okay. So I'll repeat from the beginning now. Bhanu Koti Bhaswaram Bhavabdi Tarakam Param Neela Kantha Meepsi Tartha Dayakam Trilochanam Kala Kala Mambu Jaksha Maksha Shula Maksharam Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. We'll take it a little faster. Bhanu Koti Bhaswaram Bhavabdi Tarakam Param Neelakantha Meepsi Tartha Dayakam Trilochanam Kala Kala Mambu Jaksha Maksha Shula Maksharam Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Any doubt in the second stanza? Any line you want me to repeat? Okay. So I'll go with the third stanza. Shula Tanka. Together. Shula Tanka. Pasha Danda. Pasha Danda. Pani. If you observe, N is in a capital letter. So your tongue has to touch upper palate of your mouth when you say Ni. Pani. Madi. Karanam. I'll repeat. Shula Tanka. Pasha Danda. Pani. Madi. Karanam. We'll take it to the entire line. Shula, Tanka, Pasha, Danda, Pani, Madi, Karanam. Any doubt in the first line? We'll go with the second line. Shyamakaya Madi Deva. I'm following the same thing that I did in the third line, the previous one. Shyamakaya Madi Deva Maksharam Niramayam. I'll take the entire line. Shyamakaya Madi Deva Maksharam Niramayam. We'll repeat. Shyamakaya Madi Deva Maksharam Niramayam. We'll go with the third line. Bhima, B needs to be bolded, it's a stress. Bhima Vikramam Prabhum Vichitra Tandava Priyam. Bhima Vikramam Prabhum Vichitra Tandava Priyam. Little faster. Bhima Vikramam Prabhum Vichitra Tandava Priyam. We'll go with the entire third stanza. Shula Tanka Pasha Danda Pani Madi Karanam Shyama Kayam Madi Devam Maksharam Niramayam. Bhima Vikramam Prabhum Vichitra Tandava Priyam Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaji. We'll go with the last stanza for the day. Bhukti, Bhu needs to be stressed. Bhukti, Mukti, Dayakam. All the three words together. Bhukti, Mukti, Dayakam. Prashasta, Prashasta, Charu, Vigraham. Three words together. Prashasta, Charu, Vigraham. The entire line. Bhukti, Mukti, Dayakam. Prashasta, Charu, Vigraham. Second line. Bhakta, Vatsalam. Together. Bhakta, Vatsalam. Stitam. All the three words together. Bhakta, Vatsala, Stitam. So here the tha needs to be bold. It's missing. So I'll just adjust all the things whichever is missing and I'll send you the updated PDF once again today. Bhakta, Vatsalam, Stitam, Samasta, Loka, Vigraham. So we'll take all the three words together. Samasta, Loka, Vigraham. Entire second line. Bhakta, Vatsalam, Stitam, Samasta, Loka, Vigraham. Third line. Vinikvanan. Vinikvanan. So all the things together. I'll repeat. Vinikvanan. Vinikvanan. So when you observe here, there is a capital letter. So the tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth. It sounds like Vinikvanan. Vinikvanan. Manognya. Manognya. So here is the same thing Gnya that we saw in the first stanza. Yajna. The same thing. Manognya. Hema. Kinki. Neela. So here if you observe na again, tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Hema Kinkini Lasat Katim. Lasat Katim. I'll repeat once again. Vinikvanan. Manognya. Hema Kinkini Lasat Katim. Little faster. Vinikvanan manognya hema kinkinila satkatim. Any doubt in the third line? I'll take the entire stanza. Sorry. Bhukti mukti dayakam prashasta charu vigraham bhakta vatsalam stitam samasta loka vigraham vinikvanan manognya hema kinkinila satkatim काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे. Little faster. भुक्ति मुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारु विग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन्मनोज्ञहेम किङ्किणीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे. We'll take it from the beginning. First, I'll go with the chanting slow version, then I'll speed it up, then I'll go with the tune lastly. Deva Raja Sevya Mana Pava Nagri Pankajam Vyala Yajna Sutramindu Shekharam Krupakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram Kashikapuradhinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje. Bhanu Koti Bhaswaram Bhavabdi Tarakam Param Neelakantha Mipsitatta Dayakam Trilochanam Kalakalamambujaksha Makshashula Maksharam Kashikapuradhinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje. Shula Tanka Pasha Danda Pani Madi Karanam Shyama Kaya Madi Devam Maksharam Niramayam Bhima Vikramam Prabhum Vichitra Tandava Priyam Kashikapuradhinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje. Bhukti Mukti Dayakam Prashasta Charu Vigraham Bhakta Vatsalam Stitam Samasta Loka Vigraham Vinikvanan Manognya Hema Kinkini Lasatkatim Kashikapuradhinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje. We'll take a little faster the chanting. Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam Vyala Yajna Sutramindu Shekharam Krupakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram Kashikapuradhinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje. Bhanukoti Bhaswaram Bhavabditarakam Param Neelakantamipsitattadayakam Trilochanam Kalakalamambujakshamaksha-shulamaksharam Kashikapuradhinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje. Shulatanka-pasha-danda-pani-madikaranam Shyamakaya-madi-devamaksharam Niramayam Bhima-vikramam Prabhum Vichitra-tandava-priyam Kashikapuradhinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje. Bhukti Mukti Dayakam Prashasta Charu Vigraham Bhakta Vatsalam Sitam Samasta Loka Vigraham Vinikvanan Manognya Hema Kinkinila Satkatim Kashikapuradhinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje. You want me to repeat any stanzas, any line? Okay. I'll try to take up with the tune. Zoom sometimes shows a little bit glitchy with the tune. I'll try to take it very slowly. This tune, there are multiple tunes out there. So this is the tune which is very simple and you can follow very easily. So I'll take it slowly. There might be little glitches in the audio. देवराज सेव्यमान पावनांग्रि पंकजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादियोगिवृन्द वन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भानुकोटि भास्वरं भवाब्दितारकं परं नीलकण्ठ मीप्सितार्थ दायकं त्रिलोचनम् कालकालमम्बुजाक्ष मक्षशूलमक्षरम् काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणम् श्यामकायमादिदेव मक्षरं निरामयम् भीमविक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भुक्तिमुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारु विग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन् मनोज्ञहेम किङ्किणीलसत्कटिम् काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे. Was that easy? Was that audible? Okay. So I have to take a little faster, but in the recording, I'll be sending recording every day to you. In the recording, I'll take the tune little faster. Since the Zoom has little bit difficulties with the tune, I have to take it little slow with the tune. I won't be able to take it little faster. So we can practice. I'll repeat once again with the chanting. Please try to go through once again. So we'll start from the beginning. I'll take it slow version first, then the fast version in the chanting itself. Deva Raja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam Vyalayajna Sutramindu Shekharam Krupakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भानुकोटि भास्वरं भवाब्दितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरम्. I'll repeat once again. कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणम्. So whatever I'm saying completely, it says that it's one complete line. So in the Kala Kala Mambujaksha, second stanza, third line is a one single line, one single word. The line is one single word. Similarly, in the third stanza, first line is a one single word. Shulatankapaşadandapanimadikaranam Shyamakayamadidevamaksharam Niramayam Bhimavikramam Prabhum Vichitratandavapriyam Kashikapuradhinatha Kalabhairavam Bhaje Bhukti Muktidayakam Prashasthacharu Vigraham Bhaktavatsalam Stitam समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन्मनोज्ञहेमकिङ्किणीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे. I'll take it a little faster now. देवराजसेव्यमानपावनाघ्रिपङ्कजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादियोगिवृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे. भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाब्दितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे. शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं भीमविक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे. भुक्तिमुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलस्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन्मनोज्ञहेमकिङ्किणीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे. We'll repeat one more time the fast version. देवराजसेव्यमानपावनाघ्रिपङ्कजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादियोगिवृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे. भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाब्दितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे. शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं भीमविक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे. भुक्तिमुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन्मनोज्ञहेमकिङ्किणीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे. Any doubt in any lines? You want me to repeat any lines? Okay, I found it's comfortable then. Okay, so we'll just recite one line since we have a lesser people here. So we can recite one stanza everyone. So we'll try that one. Geeta ma'am, can you please recite the first stanza?
Sure. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah. Devya Raja Shev Mana Pavan पावनाग्रिपङ्कजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादिविन्द्रवन्दितां दिगम्बरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे.
Thank you, ma'am. So first one is a Deva. You pronounce a Devya. It's a Deva. Devaraja.
Oh, Deva.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Smriti ma'am, can you please recite the second stanza?
भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाब्दितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे.
Thank you. Akshay, can you please recite the third stanza?
Yes. शूलटङ्कपाशदण्ड पामिनादिकराननं श्यामकायम् आदिदेवम् अक्षरं निरामयं भीमविक्रमं प्रभु विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे.
Thank you. Meena, can you please recite the fourth stanza?
मुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन्मनोज्ञहेमकिङ्किणीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं.
Thank you. So I'll recite once again little slowly. So try to follow every line again. Deva Raja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam व्यालयज्ञ सूत्रमिन्दु शेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादि योगिवृन्द वन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे भानुकोटि भास्वरं भवाब्दि तारकं परं नीलकण्ठ मीप्सितार्थ दायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालं अम्बुजाक्षं मक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे शूलटङ्क पाशदण्ड पाणि मादि. So here after D please insert H. I'll send the updated one. पाणि मादि कारणं श्यामकाय मादि देव मक्षरं निरामयं भीम विक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्र तांडव प्रियं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भुक्ति मुक्ति दायकं प्रशस्त चारु विग्रहं भक्त वत्सलं स्थितं समस्त लोक विग्रहं विनिक्वणन् मनोज्ञ हेम किंकिणी लसत्कटिं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे. Finally, I'll go with little faster. So since we have done little slowly, we'll try if we can follow. देवराज सेव्यमान पावनाघ्रि पंकजं व्यालयज्ञ सूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादि योगी वृंद वंदितं दिगंबरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भानुकोटि भास्वरं भवाब्दितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितातदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं भीमविक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भुक्तिमुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन्मनोज्ञहेम किङ्किणीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे. Any doubt in any of the stanza? You want me to repeat any lines? Okay. It's very simple actually. It's very easier. It will be a little difficult in the beginning. So I'll ask you to repeat every line 3 to 5 times. So if you take the first line, Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam, repeat it for 3 to 5 times. It will be comfortable. So once you are comfortable, increase the speed of a chanting. Then slowly you can fix up with the tune. But if you like the tune, if you want to practice with the tune, you can practice with the tune also. I'll be sending the recording today. Maybe by 2 o'clock, by 2 to 3 o'clock, I'll send the recording. Please do practice and do send me your recording by tonight. So it will be easy for me to go through that and I can give you any corrections if there are any. Okay then, thank you so much. I hope it was comfortable. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. Namaste. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you. So here we have the tune. देवराज सेव्यमान पावनांग्रि पंकजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादि योगी वृंद वंदितं दिगंबरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भानुकोटि भास्वरं भवाब्दितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं भीमविक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भुक्तिमुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन् मनोज्ञहेम किङ्किणीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे. So please practice this and do send me your recordings. Namaste.